Yo, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Gorilla Tag. This is a brand new method, guys, using a secret Gorilla Tag mod menu, and this just uses a simple promo code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to unlock the built-in function of the mod menu, guys. So this is going to give you tons of free shiny rocks. This is going to give you super speed. It gives you tons of features, guys, that you're simply gonna love, and this is the easiest method in 2026 to get mods in Gorilla Tag, because it does just use a working promo code that you can enter in game, and it is going to give you access to the secret mod menu. Before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always making tutorials for Gorilla Tag and other VR games. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do, guys, to get your Gorilla Tag mod menu promo code is just use your mobile phone and open up the internet browser. Now, you just use your mobile to get your promo code, and then you can enter it in game, and it's going to access the secret mod menu for Gorilla Tag. So go to this website on your mobile phone, www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it exactly like this into my internet browser, and it's going to bring you to this website here, guys. Now, they actually have hundreds of different pages. They don't only have VR games, they actually have some of the latest video game codes on here. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just use the search bar at the top of the page where it says search here, and in there just type in Gorilla Tag, and it should pop up, guys. So this is the promo codes page for Gorilla Tag, and as you can see, there are a couple of verified codes. They do add codes quite often, so feel free to check back on this website. So scroll down, and you're looking for this code, guys. This is a Gorilla Tag secret mod menu code. This is going to get you access to mods in game. Like I said, it gives you tons of features, and this is the easiest method because it is just a Gorilla Tag promo code that you can redeem in your game, and it's going to give you direct access to the secret mod menu, and it's going to allow you to really dominate. So basically, guys, because these are limited codes, there are tons of them, and it is a free process. You do need to reveal your full code, and that basically stops people from stealing all of the codes here. You can only do this once to get your code. So click on get full code, and it's going to bring up this page here that tells you exactly what you need to do. So basically, guys, long story short, like I said, I did do this earlier, and it took me about 5 minutes, but you need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks on this page to unlock your Gorilla Tag code. Now, essentially, guys, as you can see, there is a list of tasks here on this page. Free. So they're all completely free, guys, and they're really easy things like just installing and opening mobile applications, starting free trials for things. They're really easy. Just complete 2 of them. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, and if you do everything correctly, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Gorilla Tag promo code will be revealed, and once you redeem it, that is going to give you mods in Gorilla Tag. So that is going to give you access to the secret mod menu, guys, and yeah, that is easy peasy lemon squeezy, using a promo code to get your mods. So my internet's super slow today, but you've just got to head on over to Cold Coupons and just navigate your way to the Gorilla Tag page on Cold Coupons. So yeah, my internet's extremely slow. Okay, yeah, sorry, my internet was really bad. But yeah, just go to Cold Coupons and then search for the Gorilla Tag page. So just type it in the search bar and it should just pop up. So that is how to get mods in Gorilla Tag, guys, working in 2026. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.